Machinery has played an important role in increasing the wealth and quality of life of millions of people. Unfortunately, these benefits have come at a cost. The Earth's natural resources are being consumed at all stages of the industrial machinery life cycle. This issue has become so prevalent in recent years that companies are expected to demonstrate proactive initiatives to minimize the negative impact their goods have on the planet, and failure to do so will likely result in loss of sales throughout the coming decade. Manufacturers must demonstrate the efforts they are making to responsibly source their raw materials. Machinery is very energy intensive, so there is a need to improve efficiency throughout the production process. Lastly, manufacturers must demonstrate initiatives that minimize waste once a product reaches the end of its life. As well as increasing the sustainability of their operations, manufacturers have a duty to make their products more sustainable too. Some of the solutions may include renewable fuels, fuel cells, electric and hybrid powertrains, batteries, and microgrids. Machinery manufacturers are making efforts to document on their environmental performance to highlight all the areas throughout the business where emissions have been reduced, sustainability targets have been met, and employee welfare has been improved.